Welcome to room 319 here at the Glockenhof in Zurich, very close to the train station for convenience. When you first walk into the room, you've got this closet for hanging coats. They've also supplied us with an umbrella and two of these lovely small tote bags. Coming to the other side of the cupboard is some spare robes, shoes, like slippers, a spare pillow, a safe. You've got two glasses as well as some laundry supplies and little amenities. As we continue through, you've got coffee cups, coffee machine, kettle and supplies. Now through here, I believe we've got the minibar. It seems to be a fully stocked minibar. So there's 4 people staying in this room. This here is 2 fold-out beds, single beds put together. As you continue around, you've got another little pokey corner, but they've utilised it well by putting a chair in here and a coffee table with the 4 waters. There is a window in this corner as well. Here you've got a telephone, TV, some power points. You've also got a USB and a USB-C charging point. Coming through, we've got another set of windows. How do they open? Ooh, they open all the way up. In Australian hotels, it's very rare to see that the window can open all the way up. Interesting. All right, you've got a large king bed here. It's got the 2 quilts. This is a very European thing that we've noticed, is that you'll have separate quilts on either side. There's also this little seat here at the end of the bed. Let's continue through to the bathroom. So first of all, the first thing we've noticed is the glass sliding door. Now this looks a little bit impractical when you've got a family of 4. As we come through, we've got the bath. You've got a retractable hose by the looks of things. Oh, isn't that wonderful? Oh. You've got a lovely large mirror with 2 lights either side, so it's a very bright space. You've got a deep sink, which is nice. You've got a little soap dispenser there, and we've got some small amenities. So we have a soap, we have a accessories set, which looks to be a shower cap and some cotton buds and cotton towel and a nail file. You've also got some body lotion. Oh, there's more up here, so you get another set there as well. You've got the hairdryer as well as that big zoom mirror for makeup. All right, in here we've got the toilet room. So we've got a toilet. That's a nice little sign. It says this seat has been cleaned and disinfected, which is good to know. So in here, this door is a frosted door. So you've got privacy in this space, which is nice. As we continue through, you'll see the shower. Now the shower is not a frosted space. That is a clear glass situation. In here you've got a, again, detachable shower head, which is always convenient to have that option. You've got body gel and a soap rack. So in summary, the bathroom area, you've got 1 clear overall main roller door. Your shower, it does not have a privacy screen. Your toilet does, and your bath is exposed to everyone in the hotel room, which is going to be interesting.